In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint checks in QuickBooks, a step-by-step guide designed to make this process simple and straightforward. We're diving right in, so make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account to follow along. Once you're in, you'll notice the interface is packed with features, but don't worry, I'll help you navigate through it seamlessly. Start by directing your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you will find a variety of options that allow you to delve into different aspects of your financial management. What we want to focus on is the Expenses section. Click on Expenses to move on to the next stage of our process. This is the central hub for tracking all your expenditure. From here, we'll be able to zero in on your checks. Now, after you've clicked on Expenses, let's head over to the Expenses tab. You'll see this at the top of your screen. It's a crucial step because it leads you to a comprehensive overview of all recorded expenses, whether you're dealing with bills, purchases, or checks. It's where everything is listed for easy access and management. Once you're at the Expenses tab, turn your attention to the drop-down menu at the top left corner of your screen. You'll want to select Checks from this menu. This action filters your expenses to display only checks, making it significantly easier to locate the specific one you need to reprint. This is particularly handy if you're juggling multiple types of transactions and want to streamline your search. With the list now refined to show only checks, scroll through to locate the specific check you wish to reprint. When you find it, click on the View or Edit option. This will pull up the check details, giving you a chance to confirm it's the right one and make any necessary last-minute adjustments before printing. Finally, with the correct check details displayed, scroll down and click on Print Check at the bottom of the window. And there you have it. Your check is ready to be printed again. It's a simple click, but it's the last key step in getting your reprinted check into your hands. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will help you easily reprint any checks in QuickBooks, ensuring your records are complete and up to date. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks.